Dear friends, today we will see the figures of speech in the poetry Song of the Open Road, which is composed by Walt Whitman. Friends, as you know, the poetry is composed in free verse, as Walt Whitman is called as the father of free verse. Today we are going to see the figures of speech from this poetry. First of all, I would like to tell you the definition of figures of speech. Generally, there are different definitions, but out of them, I will tell one to you people. Figures of speech is a phrase or word having different meaning than its literal meanings. It conveys meaning by identifying or comparing one thing to another. See, friends, now we will see the examples one by one. There are too much examples. Different figure of speech are there, like alliteration, repetition, tautology, inversion, metaphor, such. Let us see one by one. See the first example. A long brown path before me, leading wherever I choose. Here, the figure of speech is alliteration. Why? When we can say that there is alliteration, here you will see the sound of the letter L is repeated to make a pleasing effect. When a sound of a certain letter is repeated in the line, then we can say that there is a alliteration figure of speech. And here L, sound of L is repeating. So alliteration is the figure of speech in above line. The second example, henceforth I ask not good fortune, I myself am good fortune. Here is repetition. Here the figure of speech is repetition. Why? Because the word good fortune is repeated. When a same word is repeated in a poetic line, we can say that there is a repetition figures of speech. Okay? Now the third example. Henceforth, I whimper no more, postpone no more, need nothing. Here also repetition is there. The word no more is repeated. The word no more is repeated in this line. So figure of speech is repetition. See the next example. Done with indoor complaints, liabilities, querulous criticism. In this sentence, the figure of speech is alliteration and tautology. Why alliteration? The sound k, which is produced here, is repeated in the line. And why tautology? Tautology figure of speech is there because the words having same meaning are used in the same line. Which word? The querulous and complaints. Both words have same meaning, so there is the tautology figure of speech. Next example. Strong and content I travel the open road. Strong and content I travel the open road. Here the figure of speech is inversion. Why inversion? The words are not in proper or correct order. Then what order should be there? The word order should be like this. I traveled open road, strong and content. I traveled the open road, strong and content. This should be the word order. Next example, I do not want the constellations any nearer. Here is also inversion because the word order is not correct. The word order should be like this: I do not want any nearer constellations. I do not want any nearer constellations. See? Next example is there. Still here I carry my old delicious burdens. Still here I carry my old delicious burdens. Figure of speech is metaphor. Why? Old sweet memories are directly compared with the something delicious. Old sweet memories are directly compared with the something that is delicious. Next example is there. I carry men and women. I carry men and women. I carry them with me wherever I go. Here is the repetition figure of speech. The words carry them are repeated pleasingly. Here the words carry them are repeated. Next one, I still carry my old delicious burdens. Here is paradox. Delicious and burdens carry opposite meaning and they are used in the same line. So the figure of speech is paradox. Next example, I am filled with them and I will feel them in return. Here is repetition. The word feel is repeated pleasingly. Okay. The word feel is repeated, so repetition. Next one, a foot and light-hearted I take to the open road. A foot and light-hearted I take to the open road. Inversion. Here is a inversion. The words are not in correct word order. So inversion is there and the correct order should be like that, like this. I take to the open road, a foot and light-hearted. Next one, done with indoor complaints, libraries, querulous criticism. Here is climax because the ideas are arranged in the ascending manner so that it is a climax. Okay, friends, these were the figure of speech in the poetry. Let us see how the question of figure of speech is asked in the examination. You all know this question is asked for 2 marks in the examination and it is asked such as find out, select the proper or appropriate figure of speech from the given extract, or pick out 2 examples of the specific figure of speech, or write down the figure of speech in the given lines. This was about the figure of speech. I hope you liked it. Thank you very much. Take care.